Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. How to earn money with Shopify? Fast, responsive, and reliable, a fully integrated store. Shopify.com. See plans and pricing. Find product to sell. Sell internationally. How to make money on Shopify? Shopify. Number 1. Shopify plans and pricing. Start an e-commerce store. Set up a dropshipping business. Become an affiliate. Monetize your social media. Describe your products clearly. Do market research. Offer great customer service. How to make money on Shopify? Just business. How to make money on Shopify? Can I make money with Shopify? Can you make money drop shipping with Shopify? How can I make $100 fast today? Is Shopify worth the money? Find a business idea you can start today. Shopify. It's how you use your desire to turn an idea into action that can make you are. Here are 11 real ways to earn money from home by Corey. 11 real ways to make money online in 2021 ranked Shopify. Want to make money online this year? This guide will help you find the best ways to earn a little side income and show 7 ways you can use Shopify to make money online. Hacker None. 7 ways you can use Shopify to make money online. 1. Build a dropshipping business. 2. Start your own clothing line. People also search for how to make money on Shopify with no money. How to make money with Shopify and AliExpress. Abrillo. How to dropshipping on Shopify. The fastest way made $300 per day profit with Shopify. How to make money with Shopify. All you need to know. Shopney. What are the best Shopify business ideas of 2020? 1. Start your clothing line. 2. Launch a dropshipping store. How to make money on Shopify. Step-by-step guide 2021. Niche. Your approach to dropshipping on Shopify should be to partner with distributors who are selling high priced. How to make money with Shopify. Plausible apps. If you are looking at earning additional money with Shopify, you can always do so by becoming a Shopify affiliate. It's an easy. How many of you guys are actually making money? Shopify Reddit. I understand that you need to spend more to make money, but anyway, I am just curious to see how many of you guys that are. Do people make money on Shopify, Coro? The simple answer is yes. Do people make money on Shopify? The simple answer is yes. People make money on Shopify. How much or little you will make through is entirely dependent on a number of 1 vote. The simple answer absolutely. There is no shortage of stories on the internet of people. 29 words. To make money with Shopify, you have to do 3 things. This may seem simple, but people. 0 words. I have seen many very successful dropshipping businesses that use Shopify for the online storefront. Online money making sites. How to make money on Shopify 2020. 2020. How does Shopify make money? How to make money dropshipping. How to make money online. Can you make money on Shopify? How does Shopify work? How to make money on Shopify Reddit. What to sell on Shopify. How to make money on Shopify. How to make money on Shopify just business. How to make money on Shopify. How to make money on Shopify. How to make money on Shopify? Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest video of Shopify. Thank you.